Good morning. Bagong gising pa lang. Wala pang hilamos. Muta pa. Kasi oras karon 9:44. Happy blessed Sunday to all viewers and followers and all my friends and family etc. God bless you always mga idol viewers and followers. Domingo karon, relax day. May trabaho. Good morning. Sa akong mga top fans, God bless you always. Thank you.